Hello, welcome to my channel. This is general reading for Aquarius Sun Moon Rising for the month of December. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it doesn't, you can book yourself personal reading. The information is in the description box below. Please don't forget my readings are general. So if they're not resonating, please don't try to fit in deliberately. Let me see what's in store for my beautiful Aquarius Sun Moon Rising for the month of December. In this reading, I'm going to give you guys love messages and general messages. Tell me what's up with my beautiful Aquarius Sun Moon Rising. Give me general messages, please. Give me general messages for Aquarius Sun Moon Rising for the month of December. New beginnings. Give me general messages. General messages for Aquarius Sun Moon Rising for the month of December. General messages. Okay, guys. See, the month of December is going to be all about new beginnings. It's going to be all about new love coming in. It's going to be about a lot of emotional fulfillment coming in. I do see that, for a long period of time, you guys have been wishing for certain things to happen. Say for the past 6 to 9 months, if you guys are working on a particular project, I do see that's going to bring like insane amount of fulfillment. If, for the last, whatever couple of months or years, if you were trying to manifest love, then that's going to walk in, guys. So I definitely see that, like a lot of communication, a lot of great new mental energy, new emotional energy is definitely walking in your life in the month of December. You guys are just like sitting over there and watching it like a boss because you know that you have manifested it. Give me more general messages for Aquarius Sun Moon Rising for the month of December, please. More general messages for Aquarius Sun Moon Rising. Messages for Aquarius Sun Moon Rising. Aquarius, see, you guys have worked really hard in the past couple of months to really reach where you are right now. Your advice for the month of December is stop overthinking. You need to believe, you really need to start believing in the fact that everything that you're manifesting today or everything that you will be manifesting in the month of December, you have earned it. You have worked hard for it. So now when it's all happening, stop running away from it. I do see that some of you have manifested love, but now that it's on your doorstep, you're just acting weird. Some of you have manifested your dream job or, something that's like paying you like a lot of money, recognition. But now when it's coming to you, you're overthinking like, oh, how will this work out? How will that work out? You guys have wished for it. You guys have worked for it and you guys have made it happen for yourself. So stop sabotaging it, start to appreciate it. Just start believing that, you have worked hard for it physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. And that's why your life is panning out how you always wanted it to be, guys. Give me more general messages, please. General messages for Aquarius Sun Moon Rising for the month of December. General messages for Aquarius Sun Moon Rising. Yes, see, 10 of, oh my god, you guys. I'm seeing 10 of I'm seeing 10 of cups. I'm seeing 10 of pentacles in your reading. Everything that you guys ever imagined in your life, like a beautiful relationship, a beautiful house, or like a beautiful job, or like a lot of money or passion coming true, or whatever you guys have ever wished for, justice is happening, guys. So you guys had been working on something for a very long period of time, and you sort of did not get the results, so you got disappointed, but universe had different plans for you, and now, like, before 2021 ends, universe like, okay, you asked for it, take it. You work for it, take it. It's just throwing it all your way, it's just let go of your control issues. Let go of your control issues because, just stop overthinking, let go of control issues, and really appreciate what the universe has now made happen for you. Because it's really coming true. There's 9 of cups, there's 10 of cups, there's 10 of pentacles. I'm seeing it all. Wow. Okay, now let me give you love messages for the month of December. Aquarius, if this reading is resonating with you, please hit the subscribe button. If this reading is resonating with you guys, please hit the subscribe button. And at the cost of repeating myself, let me tell you that you are finally, you're like a very powerful manifester, guys. Aquarius, you guys are damn conscious people. You guys are intuitive people, and somehow or the other, you are born with that universal knowledge. You're just born with all of those, universal hacks and codes, wherein you know how does it function very naturally. Aquarius are born healers. They are the star card denotes Aquarius. So you're born healers. You just sort of know the hacks and codes of the universe, and you guys have been using them. So now when it's happening, appreciate it. Now when it's happening, stop overthinking. It's all panning out the way you want it to be and maybe better. So just appreciate that. Um, Stop sabotaging your own wishes, guys. See, again 10 of cups, like, massive fulfillment, massive emotional materialistic fulfillment is happening in this moment. Give me love messages, please. Give me love messages for Aquarius Sun, Moon, Rising. Give me love messages for Aquarius Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of December. Yes, again, see, the thing is that Aquarius, you guys are, literally just ruining it all by overthinking. What you should ideally be doing is go at it with full speed. Whatever life is giving to you right now is something that you always wish for. So stop using too much logical thinking. Stop thinking, oh, where did it come from? Oh, how did this happen? Oh, how did that happen? Is it right for me? Is it wrong for me? Stop gauging all of this so logically, because you have made this happen for yourself. Not always the hard work that you're putting will give you instant results, but at some point in life it just comes back full circle. And when it does, just like appreciate it with open arms and do not sabotage it. Do not sabotage it. You guys are literally sabotaging it. Stop overthinking. Stop resting on these laurels. But now when you've achieved it, don't take it lightly. What you guys are doing, because you think that it has come easily to you, you're just like sort of not giving yourself enough credit for all the hard work that you guys have put. Hard work doesn't mean slavery. Hard work doesn't mean massive physical labor. Hard work also means really putting the right kind of thought in the universe, putting the right kind of energy into the universe. That's also hard work, guys. Let's not get our minds manipulated with the stereotypical definition of hard work, because nobody does that hard work these days. That sort of hard work where you're just like up 24/7 and just and you're using insane amount of physical energy. That's not the only definition of hard work. Give me more. So stop overthinking. Whoever is coming towards you, just let this person in and stop overthinking. Stop gauging all of this so logically. Give me more love messages. Love messages. Give me more love messages for Aquarius Sun, Moon, Rising. Yes, lots of confusion, lots of anxiety. You guys are just all over the place. Even though this person is offering you genuine emotions, you guys are still confused, and you guys still just like stay up in the night just thinking about whether you should do it or not. You have two minds about this person and this equation that you're into. So that's also giving you massive anxiety. For this, you should use it wherever you have negative thoughts. Just say it repetitively. It's all working out in my favor. It's all working out in my favor. And then you will see it that it'll work in my favor. These are all sword cards, right? So you guys are really putting a lot of mental energy, because it's an air sign. Aquarius, you guys are an air sign, and you guys are known for being logical, but stop using so much logic. Stop applying your brains. Just live this moment fully. Whatever the universe is giving you, stop sabotaging it, because trust me, this is what you have wished for and this is what it's coming true. So, just like don't be so confused. I do see that if in like a longer run, if you guys have been confused about something, that then you with your partner are going to come to a middle ground as well. Some of you could be feeling really stressed, or you could be taking a vacation in the month of December. I do see some sort of traveling happening for you guys. And okay, what is the intention of the person who my Aquarius is thinking about? Give me the intention of the person my Aquarius is thinking about. Give me the intention of the person Aquarius, see, this person wants to provide it all. This person wants to build it all with you. This person wants to be the king or the queen, and like right now, they could be finding it hard to really strike a balance or to really figure who you are. They are really trying to figure out this equation. They're really trying to figure you out, and that could be giving them a tough time, because you, my loves, are not at all easy to be figured. So but then yes, at the core, this person really wants to give it all to you, and this person really wants to build a family, build a house, get emotional fulfillment with you. I know, see, Aquarius, see, this person has a lot to offer. This person is here to pour into you. This person is here to, really touch your emotional side. This person is definitely here to, uh, you know, really understand you emotionally, dive deeper into your emotions. So this person is definitely here for that. At the same time, since you're gauging this equation too logically, their pride could be getting in. This person could be feeling hurt in their ego, because they could be just thinking that, okay, I'm here to give it all to this person, and all this person does is just judge me over and over again. And probably, you guys could be really conveying all of these negative thoughts to them, that okay, what if this doesn't work, what if this happens and that happens. So this person could be feeling hurt in their pride, this person could be feeling hurt in their ego. But at the same time, you need to start believing that this person is really here to offer you emotional fulfillment, guys. Tell me, what's the blockage between Aquarius and the person that they're thinking about? Tell me, what's the blockage for Aquarius and the person that they're thinking about? The blockage could be, guys, that you guys are so conflicted, and Aquarius, you are sort of blocking this celebration. You're sort of not letting this happen. This totally has the potential to reach the marriage level. This totally has the potential to reach a level where, it's all done. But what you are doing is you're not focusing on the pentacles that are already in place. You are focusing on one that you have to mend. What you're trying to do is that if you have received 70% of what you always wanted, you are just like fucking working on that 30%. Like you wanted 100%. So that's what you're doing. You know, when you have really manifested an equation that you really wanted, and it's really ready for it to reach a celebratory level where you can like take it ahead. What you're doing, that's your blockage, that you are just probably too focused on mending it, something that doesn't even need to be mended. You are focusing on mending it, and at the same time, you're also sort of now that you've manifested, you're like, okay, fuck it, now I've manifested it. So okay, you're just taking it lightly and you're just focusing all your attention on your work. So that could also be the blockage. I'm going to see now what the action that this person plans on taking towards you. Tell me about the action that Aquarius person plans on taking. Tell me the action that Aquarius person plans on taking. The action that Aquarius person is planning on taking. Aquarius, I do see that this person is definitely discussing the nuances of this equation with their people, with their family, with everybody else, at their workplace or whatever. And this person will, in the month of December, this person will come to you with a proposal of a union. Maybe because of the entire mental energy that you're putting into this equation, this person could be feeling a little helpless. This person could be feeling like a little tied up because they feel intimidated by you, I do see. But at the same time, this person has it in their mind. This person has it in their mind that they want to build with you. And I do see that this person will move towards you in the month of December. I'll now pull advice cards for you for the month of December. Give me advice. What's the advice for Aquarius and Moon for the month of December? Oh, damn. The advice for you guys is, guys, stop stressing, stop taking too much burden. You've already hit the finish line. You manifested what you wanted to. Start being a giver now. You have manifested, you have received what you always wanted, the dream job, the dream relationship. Now start giving, start pouring. Now whatever you have manifested, it's your turn to now give more to it so that it grows. And please stop overthinking, please stop sabotaging. It's your time to really celebrate, guys. Celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. Have fun. Have fun. Enjoy what you have. You've worked for it. You deserve it. And stop ruining it by overthinking. This is it for the month of December. I hope it resonated. Please subscribe to the channel if it did. Let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys next month.